It's time for Show Off Sunday, where everyone has a chance to show off their own car, and here's this week's winner.
Hey guys, my name is Laszlo from Vancouver, Canada, and this is my 2002 Toyota Celica GT Panasonic Edition. The Panasonic Edition is only available in Canada. It came with decals all around it. From the front here, you have this white stripe, and on the side says Panasonic Toyota, and also on the rear over here also says Panasonic Toyota. From factory, it came with a TRD body kit all around, spoiler, rear lip, side skirts, and front TRD bumper. The Toyota Celica GT has the 1ZZ engine, which is very slow. The Toyota Celica did come in a GTS model, which produced 180 horsepower. Modifications that I have on this car are lowering springs, XXR 530 wheels, and a muffler delete. The 7th gen Celica was available from 2000 to 2005. On the hood you have the iconic Panasonic Edition stripe, and along the sides here on both sides you have Panasonic Toyota, as well as on the back. My car currently has 230,000 kilometers. I'm not sure what that is in miles, but I can calculate that. I'm gonna give a start up.
Well, that was this week's video, and remember to have your car video highlighted here on my channel. Check this out. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.